Open your project and add your clips. I have 2 beats in between. You can add beats by using this bookmark icon. I have a background layer, music notes, 2 photos of the person I'm editing, 2 more background photos, and 2 more photos. Start by hiding some pictures. For the first part, we're going to lay out each and every layer. You can copy my layout or come up with one yourself. After you're done with the layers, let's start adding motion to each and every one of them. Click on the music notes, go to keyframe, and add linear wipe. Add progress keyframes at the start and second beat. At the start, make the progress 100. Increase the feather. And in between, add this graph. Now click on the background layer, go to keyframe, and add position and rotation keys at the start and second beat. At the start, move your layer down and also rotate it. And in between, add this graph. Click on the 3 dots and copy the graph and paste it into rotation. Now click on the photo, go to keyframe, transform. Scroll down until you find anchor. Put the anchor point on the left side of your photo. Now put it back to its original side. And now, add scale and rotation keys at the start and second beat. Paste the graph in between both properties. Now go to the first beat and skip a couple of frames. Select the second photo and adjust the duration so it starts from there. Now, add position and rotation keys at the start and second beat. At the start, move your layer up and rotate it. And in between, add this graph. Now, add exposure. Add intensity keys at the start and second beat. And at the start, increase it. Copy this effect and paste it to the second photo. Now, add roughen edges. Increase the detail and decrease the strength. After you're done with the settings, copy the effect and paste it to the background layer and the second photo. Now go to the button PNG and add position keys at the start and second beat. And at the start, just move it to the left side. And in between, paste your graph. Now let's add just the second part of the transition. Go to the background layer, go to keyframe, transform, and add position and rotation keys on the first beat and end. At the start, move your layer up and rotate it. Paste roughen edges. Now go to the second photo and add position and rotation keys in the same places. At the start, move your layer to the right. Now paste the graph. And also paste the roughen edges. Lastly, add a parent layer. And select every layer as a child. Click on the check mark. Now go to keyframe, transform, and zoom it in. Move your layer to the left. Make sure that your first photo is in frame completely. Now, add position, scale, and rotation keys at the start and second beat. On the second beat, position your layer to the right. Zoom it out a little and rotate it. Paste the graphs in between all three properties. Now, go to the first beat and add another parent. And select the first parent. And now, add position and rotation keys on the first beat and end. On the second key, move your layer to the right and rotate it. And then paste your graph in between both properties. If you think the quality's too bad, just remove the roughen edges.